Here the next question: what is a schema in Postgres? So a schema is nothing but a container, we can say that. So everywhere in RDBMS you can, schema is the same, nothing difference. Okay. So a schema is a Postgres named container or namespace that holds collection of database objects like or including tables, views, indexes, functions. Okay. It provides a logical group of mechanism to organize database objects and helps avoid naming conflict, means unique name. Okay, not to duplicate name, we can do that, means we cannot create duplicate database tables, objects, whatever. Okay. It can use to partition data, manage access privileges, and facilitate it better organization and maintain the database structure. Basically this help in your security purpose, security audit, manageability, less amount of effort, because if you not create, then how can you provide the access, basically the end user. So schema is very helpful in access mapping, user mapping, or access method. Okay. Access providing privileges to the end user. So please like, comment, and share and subscribe. Thank you.